Hey guys, Tony, good morning. I did want to do a quick TA on Bitcoin before the morning started and before the market opened in about half an hour or so. So right now, basically what I told you guys, when was it? What are we in today? Yesterday, I said that more than likely Bitcoin is going to be running up to trend. That's exactly what it did, ran up the trend. I mean, I did this in a higher time frame, so that's probably why this is like that. But see, basically I'm like, oh, it's going to run up to trend. It did that. And right now it's perfectly testing trend, right? So we have a perfect touch of trend, it's on trend basically. And right now it is creating a bear trigger down here on the reverse MACD with the Stoke looking like it is, the red MA is crossing over the blue MA. So it means it is a little bit bearish right now on Bitcoin. And I think the major part here is, if Bitcoin actually ends up going above this, Bitcoin, I think, is going back to 65K. If Bitcoin actually ends up breaking this trend, where I think 100% we're going back to 65K. If Bitcoin today, I think more than likely today, if on this bear trigger, or, if the continuous bear triggers, right, the 4 hours still, it's not necessarily bullish, but it is losing. Oh, see, there you go. It actually just turned bullish on the 4 hour right there. It made that brighter red candle right there. So if you do manage to break trend right here on Bitcoin, if you manage to break this to the high side, or like this, right, you manage to break up here, create another candle, I think there's like a 99% chance we're going to 65K, right? So as long as this breaks to the high side, we're going to 65K. If does not break, and you keep seeing a wick, if you keep seeing candles wick up here, just wick, then I think we're going to be going all the way back down somewhere like right there, right? Somewhere to like the 57, 58, 57 range, somewhere right here. So there's only two things that can happen, right? Either you break trend and you keep running to 65, or you hit trend, it does not break to the high side, and it comes back down. And it looks like right now, we are going to be closing bearish, possibly in the next 56 minutes, but we got to wait and see. It does look like the candle keeps running a little bit to the high side, so it might actually break trend. I don't know yet, right? I would only do something if we can see what it's, oh, you know what? Look at that, right? Bear trigger on the 30-minute. What's going on? You're going up. All you're really doing is going up. So I do expect, as of right now, I do expect a break of trend, especially right now with the 30-minute about to close another bull cycle, and maybe like, I don't know, by like 8:30ish in the morning, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning, sometime around there, I think that there's a strong chance that we actually could break trend. And if we start creating candles above here, 100%, I think we're going to 65K, because there's no more resistance right here. No more. You might trade straight up, you might trade sideways, down, up, whatever. But eventually, if you break this trend, there's like I'm like 99% sure we're going to 65K. I mean, that's basically it, right? There's no other way to say it. So break trend, 65K. You do not break trend, you're going down to 58, 57K. And I think at this point, I'm pretty bullish on Bitcoin breaking that trend, especially because you have the bear trigger down here in the reverse MACD. You're already overbought, which means that crypto has a lot of buying pressure, and all you're doing is trading up on this bear cycle. So yeah, I think when we hit another bullish cycle on the reverse MACD, I think we're going to break this pretty easily and then run to the upside. But again, you have to break trend. That's the major key point. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.